This is Madhumati, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Technology, SNS College of Technology. So in this video, let's have a short design thinking discussion with our students of final year BTech Food Technology students. We all know what is design thinking. So it is actually one of human-centered and problematic centered methodology where we are coming in forward to bring solution to many problems. So we all know there are 5 stages that are involved in the design thinking approach. So keeping that in mind, here the final year students are coming up with the an idea in order to replace the usage of plastics. So the plastic is actually playing a major role where it is spoiling the ecosystem overall, not only in India but everywhere where and all human population is being more. So keeping that in mind, they have come up with an idea by developing a biodegradable packaging material which will be a replacement or a substitute for the usage of plastic. So let's have a discussion based on our by implementing our design thinking approach. So over to my students.
Our problem statement is non-biodegradable. Is one of the most widely used in plastics for foods and other consumer goods industries. Non-biodegradable, the most plastic packaging takes hundreds of years to decompose in our land, leading to long-term pollution. Marine pollution, the large pollution of plastic waste ends up in rivers, oceans, and other harming aquatic life through injections and entanglements. Microplastic formation. Over time, plastics break down into microplastic that contaminate soil, water, and other food chains, posing a risk of humans and other animals. Wildlife hazards. Animals often mistake plastic for food, leading to choking, starvation, or poisoning. Soil and water contamination. Chemicals leaching from plastic. That packaging can contaminate groundwater and agricultural land wastage. Waste management challenges, low recycling rates, and high use of single-use plastics that increase the landfill pressure.
Empathy is biodegradable plastics is replacing for plastic. It is mainly focusing on environmental consciousness. People nowadays feeling empathize for future generation, which to reduce the plastic pollution, to give a healthier future to the generation. It is mainly focusing on reducing the waste, food wastes like crabs, fruits, vegetables. They are generating many wastes. We use for biodegradable packaging such kind of wastes. And we have to willing to give the healthier generation.
So those types of healthier generation can be emerged only with the innovations that we produce through our approach, DT approach, right? So as she told, we can actually develop more biodegradable packaging by even using waste, food waste also. Not only by using the fresh raw goods, we can also actually develop biodegradable materials. Because waste is actually increasing nowadays. Food waste is actually a major trend that is being in an increasing scale nowadays, because as human population has grown more. Nowadays people are actually switching on to a more modern lifestyle, where why they have switched to a modern lifestyle is because they are actually earning more in nowadays, because in a house only there will be a single earning, but nowadays in a house if everyone are educated, everyone earns. So ultimately the financial status of the house also increases. So ultimately it leads to the wastage also increases only. Okay, so that's a very good empathy part based on this approach.
So I'm going to define about this idea. Basically, the biodegradable packaging is the type of